This is the Aurora 88 Cento fountain pen. It comes in a large box, the Aurora logo on the top of this sleeve with the Cento logo as well. This pen celebrates 100 years of Aurora pens. Inside the sleeve is a cardboard black box which has a lid that slides off, and a nice large wood box for the pen with a black finish. Has the Aurora logo on the top, hinge style lid that lifts open with a leather interior, has the Aurora logo on the underside of the box lid. And of course we have the Aurora 88 Cento fountain pen. It has a rose gold finish, all metal cap and barrel with etched lines running the length of the pen. On the top of the pen is the number, or it has a 100 and multiple times around the top of the finial. A simple clip with a ball at the end. And then at the center band is engraved Aurora and has the number of the pen on the back. It is a piston style pen, so there's a ring here at the end of the barrel of the pen with the actuator for the piston. The cap is threaded and unscrews. You can post the cap on the pen. It is the standard body style of the Aurora 88, just with a different finish. So it has the ink viewing window here, and it has smoke transparent, so you can see inside. You can see the ink levels and the ink color as well. And then it has a black glossy resin section with an 18 karat gold nib. It's engraved with the Aurora logo and a black feed. Beautiful pen. Aurora's been around for 100 years. They're celebrating their 100-year anniversary this year. Get your Aurora 88 Cento fountain pen at penchalet.com.